Today I repaired the drive belt of my tumble dryer from a Bosch Max tumble dryer, and I already removed the cover, which is visible on another video, how to remove the cover, and I already removed the sidewall. The drive belt, this one is broken, and therefore we have now removing the front bottom cover. Now we remove the back plane again. This fan wheel on the back side, here on the front side, is always fixed with a bolt in there. So we take a nut and remove it. Now we may open this screw from the front air wheel. I use my machine with a millimeters nut. Maybe I lock the wheel on the back side also with a nut. Here it is. Now to open the drive shift, we have here this small lever, and we may open it. So first we have to remove the connector. Locked. So now we are able to take this one out. That's the lock. Have to open this one also. So we come to this. We take a little bit of rust remover. Now I'm holding the drive shaft with a pipe wrench and trying it again. Left gear. Yeah. Worked. Now that's what I thought. I'm able to remove the engine a little bit backwards, and now I'm able to mount my own drive belt. So we take out the old drive belt. That's one, and the old belt was broken on those 3 ribs here. Now we take a new belt, which costs 10 euros, and we place the belt just below, between there. And now we have to push the drive shaft into that hole again, fix it. This one will be to push it from here to there. Now we fix the wheel again there. So just move it on there, then the right way, and keep the wrench. Great. And fixed. The same one on the other side, on the front side, the air wheel, push it on there. Now hold the wrench and fixed. We place this spacer or bracket in again, and once we have fixed it, the position has to be in this way that the cables might be mounted. Maybe you have to fix the screw again. So that's why it's a spacer. Yes. Now the cable has to be from here. Grounding. Now the serial is first the gray one and then the brown one. And yeah, now it works. And then the brown one, connector, and then it fits. Now we have this belt, and this one has 3 ribs inside. We have to place it in here. Just run it there and rotate it. Now it is there. So be careful that you don't damage these ribs. Now the big wheel belt is, as you see, it was running there, and we simply have to take this drive on there. Now it's, oh, isn't it beautiful? Great. Now there is this small tension spring which fits in there, and now we have this tension feather and this distance bolt. So this one has to go in there, but it keeps the distance here, and we fix it on there. So there's a piece on there between holes. Now we place it in here. We pull a little bit. Yeah, great. Connecting, open, works. Tumble is turning, and now we do something. Yes, it works.